Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I've just completed my design team project for Carrie Ann, who is Shabby Art Boutique. I used the latest January digital kit collection called Victorian Romance. It is a gorgeous collection, just beautiful images. It is just very shabby and just lovely to work with. What I made here is an altered envelope using one of the envelopes from the kit, and I'll just show you the envelope if you haven't already seen all of her collections. I use the large envelope size that is in the kit, and there are 3 envelopes in the fussy cut file, and then I just cut out the envelope and then I altered it to create an ephemera folder, which I think would be perfect to store all of the ephemeras that come in the kit that you fussy cut, and then you can have them all stored in this cute little pocket folder that I made by altering the envelope. So I made 3 here, and I will do a process video on how I put it together in case you also wanted to make an ephemera folder using the envelope from the kit. It's just a cute little compact size, and it's just a lovely lovely papers to work with. So let me show you the ones that I've made and what it looks like. So this is the first one, and it's just a lovely size. I did some embellishing in the front with some of the pieces from the fussy cut images. I created a tuck spot here in the front, and these are some of the pieces that you get. And so there is a little envelope, and then that is how the pocket looks like. So it's just a little tuck pocket here. I have some tulle here in the back just to give it some texture. So this is one of the images, one of the prints of the envelope, and then there was the blue one with this lovely background pattern, and then this is the other pattern that comes in there. I will put the link down below to Carrie Ann's Etsy store, and you'll be able to find the Victorian Romance kit in her store. And so let me just show you the inside. So it opens up this way, and there is the tuck pocket here on the side. I added some of the other fussy cut elements here just to decorate the side pocket. This is one of the images in the collection as well. It's just gorgeous, vintage, like a vintage style image with some flowers. I made a little journal out of the cover here using my tea stain paper. Just a little booklet if you wanted to add this inside your side pocket there. And this is also one of the other printables that's in the kit, and it's got these lines, which is perfect if you are into journaling. You could add a note or write a little quote in here, or just somewhere to journal. I did some stamping, and because it was a white background paper, I used the Vintage Photo by Tim Holtz, and I just distressed the page a little bit just to give it a more sort of a stained look. Then on this side here, I've got a paper clip that I just made to hold some of these leftover pieces from the kit. So if you have some leftover scrap pieces, you can just cut them up to fit inside this flip part here. This here is one of the paper ruffles that I made from my last project. I think it was the Vintage Love collection, so I just placed that on the top and added the word sentiment from the Victorian Romance collection, and just place that on the top. And then this just sits in there held with the paper clip, and you can just cut a whole heap and just slide them in there, and then the paper clip will hold that in place. So I thought that was a good way to do that. And this is the side pocket here, using another background digital. I placed a postcard and one of these gorgeous tags with all of these flowers. So I thought this would be a great spot here to add all the tags and postcards. And that's how the pocket looks like. So there's a lot of room in there to store the ephemera pieces. And it just slides in there. And then that's your back. So cute little folder. This is the other one. This is using the pink color envelope with the polka dots. I just added some of these leftover pieces of trim that I had that was just laying around on my desk, and decorated the top part there. Added some cheesecloth here at the background. I had some leftover torn pieces of embossed paper and greaseproof paper, and layered that on the bottom. Added a little ribbon. This is another one of the cutter parts. So I placed that in the front to create a tuck spot here for some more of the smaller ephemeras. So this is one of them. And these are the little cute mini postcards. These are just so cute. And I just think these would make cute little tags, or just somewhere to write a little note, or you just want to say thank you, or write your little details if you wanted to, if you're sending some happy mail. So they're so cute. And there are a few of these in the kit. And this is how the pocket looks like in the front. So I just glued down the bottom here to create this little opening. I had some more leftover trim, and I just glued that to here. Something that's supposed to go that way. So that just glues onto there. So that's just a cute little pocket there for those. I'll turn this way. This opens up the same way with another side tuck pocket. I had some leftover music sheets, so I just placed that there. It's one of the flowers. These are some of the ornate label style shaped ephemera pieces that I fussy cut. And then I just backed that with some of the scrap papers that I had left over. That one's just plain white. And I do what I love, and just the usual distressing the edges with my scissors to give it a shabby, tattered look to the edge all around all of my projects, except for this one. Didn't get a chance to do this one yet, but look at this cute little stack of books with some flowers. It's just beautiful. Carrie-Anne just does some beautiful artwork. So that's the back. So you can store these in there in this side pocket, so you'll have them all kept together in your folder. And then there is a front tuck pocket here on this side, so put that there. Finish the top part with another ruffled paper from the Vintage Love collection. This one has a vellum side pocket, and I thought that was just a lovely way to make the pocket using vellum, so it still gives it that nice soft look to the goodies that you have in the back of the pocket. This was a perfect spot to add more tags, more postcards. So I cut all of the postcards, and I used some vellum to create like a belly band to just store all of the postcards. So this is one of them, and I just add some trim to the top, and these are the other postcards that I cut from the kit. So there's 3 in there. So it's just a nice, great way to keep them all together. If you need them, they're all inside your little side pocket. And it just fits in there. It's just lovely. Then you've got that little pocket there as well if you wanted to. And that's the back. This is the other one. I use the Vintage Love envelope for this one because I had one already cut up, just sort of left on my desk, so I thought I'll make another one with the Vintage Love collection envelope. So this is the print for that one. So it is another lovely print. So you'll be able to find the Vintage Love collection as well in Carrie-Anne's Etsy store. This is one of the word sentiments from the Victorian romance collection. Some more fussy cut images that I created, a little tuck pocket for some more postcards and whatever you would like to put in there. And it's the same. This one opens up with a side tuck pocket. This one has a little tuck pocket in the front. This is one of the smaller stamp images, like a faux stamp image. So just cute. And just tucks in there. This is another one of the little journals that I just showed you. And that's that. And that's the back print with one of the background prints. This one also has a page to journal. Did a bit of stamping there. This also has that little flip page for all your scrap pieces of leftover papers from your collection. This is also the Vintage Love paper ruffle that I made. That's word romance, and that just flips up and holds these in place. And this here is the side tuck pocket for this size tag. It will be perfect to fit in there. So that's the pocket. So I thought I would make a altered envelope and create a little pocket folder to store the little ephemera pieces, so you have them all kept together. So I just thought I'd share with you these cute little ephemera folder booklets using the envelopes from the kit collection. I will be back to do a process video and show you how I put these together if you would also like to make one of these with the envelope. And I will be back for that video, and I hope you enjoyed this project. Share, and I'll link everything down below to Carrie Ann's Etsy store, her Facebook group page, YouTube and Instagram, and all of her other platforms. And I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.